Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's collab with Become Worse. And we're doing a swap with squishies. She gave me bad squishies and slime, and she gave me one good slime and one bad. I mean, bad squishy. I mean, good squishy, sorry. Oh, I don't know. But it came in this box. She didn't mail it to me or anything, so let's come look at it. I'm gonna make this video quick because I have an iPhone 5S and it's really hard for me to film on my iPhone 5S. So that's just me too. And I got back from work and so sorry if I'm sunburned. The sliding is very bad. I don't know why. Maybe it's dark green. But so first thing that I pull out is Kitty Bird. She makes her own packaging too, and it says Kitty Bird with a little burger right here. Oh, I wish you guys can see how good it was. Okay, maybe that's a little bit better. Like, I'm charging my phone. Sorry if the echoing is bad, but I found. You can see that it's very. Maybe this is my good one. I have no clue. By the way, I'll link her in the description. Maybe I'll forget, but because I don't like to, edit. So this is a cute unicorn. Maybe it's a good one. I looked on this side. There's no eye, so that's a bad one. But a nice squish, and I just got back from work. It's like 9 o'clock at night. That's probably why the lighting is very terrible. So, by the way, I got my nails done. Oh, she got me this sushi roller thing. Not really squishy rolls, it says. I don't know if you know, but that is fluorescent. It's obviously not so good one because it is ultraviolet light. Maybe if I open up my door, will that help? A little bit. Sorry, but it's part of my Barbie house. I don't play with Barbies anymore. No hate. So, I left this emoji bun. It's so cute because it has like these little hearts. But the back is kind of ripped off. Sorry, I'm going like taking a break like every 5 minutes because I need water. I'm dehydrated. This one. Oh, it's a Walker's squishy. I'm gonna take these all out of packaging, probably in part 2. But that is super cute. And I love the little hearts. Okay, there we go. They're very squishy though, but you need to calm down, like. Oh, this one I think is a good one. I have no clue. I have no view of the squishies. That's not that surprising, so that's probably not the good one. I'm trying to find the slime now. Oh, it's this cute little, like, but it's like yellowish. I will play with it right now. I hope it's not sticky. Sticky. Oh yeah, it's very sticky. Sticky. Okay. Yeah, I need the activator. I need a lot of activator. Excuse me for a minute. some Tide to it. So this is obviously the bad one. Definitely not taking. Okay. Then how did that container? These are all really sticky. And oh my gosh. Seriously. I stayed at a really fine hotel. Not really wanting no shade to that hotel. But I live in Washington, and Washington has better hotels, in my opinion. I feel like they're a little more rustic, modern, you know. I want to go to New York. I don't know. Next thing I forgot is these French fries. Cute little hard to get, but here's the face. Not that surprising. Well, I can tell. It's like, yeah, you saw. I think, I hope. I think this is my good slime. She said that she gave me the cola slime. It's my good one. She didn't tell me what, but she didn't tell me one thing that was good, which is a cola slime. Which I loved her cola slime. Her cola stands for Coca-Cola, if you do not know that. But it has this cute glitters in it. It's not sticky as the Sunset one is. I'm gonna name it Sunset. Oh, I see something. It's a birthday cake. So cute. Very sweaty. I hate it. My hands feel like tied. Okay. This cute blue clear slime. It's the cute little watermelon container. I love it. Ooh, it feels like glitter. Like you're playing with almost glitter. It feels like that, and it's not sticky. Is that my bag? Oh my god, I have no. So here's the squishy that I've been making. I always wanted this squishy. And it has its tag still. Hello Kitty tag. It's the Hello Kitty pancakes. Still in the packaging, but the packaging is open. So, what's that up? Squishy who? Who are you? Okay. It is, and oh my god, it has licensing. It's like that. Nice. I big thumbs up. I really enjoyed this video because sorry about the lagging again, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Adios, peace.